gonna mute all the music first. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys another tip about I evolve Alaska bee into a demo bee. Another level 5. I told you we were going to get another legendary bee. Now you guys might be going a little too crazy because those 2 codes from last time were on groups. And yeah, that was pretty sad. Oh man. And also this is the other update I heard about Club's Cookie. Club Cookie. Oh wait, what? Club Cookie. What? I forgot. Let me just leave the game because I saw it. It was on the chat. Sorry for B-Swarm, the owner. I'm sorry for showing all the people's, but I need to show this code. Okay. Huh? 2 weeks? What? I'm talking mythical. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. I don't even want it. But what's that? Ooh, summer sale. Ooh, there's summer right here. There's summer right there. I think I didn't use it. Only a few more days I got that. Okay, I already did that. Okay. Tried to that. Here's a couple of club snacks. Okay. Oh no! Okay, if the owner of the Beast One, can you please send that Cookie Club? Wait, Cookie Club! That was the name! Oh my goodness. Cookie Club. I'm very sorry about the first part of the Beast One tips. And yeah, I was so sorry about that. That the loud music was covering, so you need to wear, just get that boot thingy on the face. Now, if it's true, I'm gonna be happy. Cookie Club. Yeah, it is. I'm sorry about it. I'm very sorry. But I need to do this. Oh my goodness, my bees are glitching. Now I am at my home that it said it's actually pretty bad. I keep off connection just like in the beach simulator. And yeah, it was pretty sad. Very sad actually. Very stupid duper sad. Oh my goodness. Pray for me. Please. I want the lost connection to be gone. Forever and ever. Oh my goodness, there's somebody here. Okay, let's go. Don't kill me, werewolf. Don't kill me, werewolf. Don't you dare kill me. Oh no, he's gotta kill me. No. Leave me alone. Attack my bees. Not the mantis. Bye. Because I don't care about you. Okay. Oh no, I forgot the scorpions. No! Go kill them first. Because that's my quest. Oh my goodness. I'm totally true. I'm not scared because I got the golden helmet. See, look at that. Ooh, 2 more days and then I'm gonna get that quest speed up. Now I can get to this, and yeah. Sorry if you guys are jealous. But there's a strawberry dispenser. How interesting. And there's another code that almost everybody uses, but it's youth. Hey. And I also heard about this, that there was a brown bear's title. Oh my goodness. I can parkour. Just like what I said, because I'm a parkour master. Oh yeah, and I almost forgot. I have a parachute. Yeah. Sorry for guys, I'm literally like jealous. Sorry if you guys are guilty or jealous. Please don't kill me, you baldo. Let me guess. I don't want to spend my ticket on that thing. No. It wastes your tickets. Like, I'm literally serious. It wastes all your tickets. And bye.